Mastering Meal Prepping, a guide to efficient cooking. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the concept of meal prepping. It's a popular phrase that you might have heard in the context of cooking and organizing meals. Let's dive into what it means and why it's become a trend in recent years. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the term but also how to use it in your daily life. Meal prepping, short for meal preparation, is the process of planning and preparing meals ahead of time. It often involves making large quantities of food at once, which can be stored and consumed over several days. Meal prepping is a favorite strategy among busy individuals who want to eat healthily and save time during the week. Why do people meal prep? There are several compelling reasons. Saves time. Preparing meals for the week in one go means less cooking and cleaning on busy weekdays. Healthier eating. By planning your meals, you can make better food choices and control portions. Budget-friendly. Buying ingredients in bulk and reducing food waste can help save money. Stress reduction. Knowing your meals are ready to go can relieve the daily stress of deciding what to eat. Getting started with meal prepping is simpler than you might think. 1. Plan your meals. Decide what you want to eat throughout the week. 2. Make a shopping list. List all the ingredients you'll need. 3. Set aside time. Choose a day to prepare your meals, like Sunday afternoon. 4. Prep and cook. Cook your meals and portion them out for the week. 5. Store. Use containers to refrigerate or freeze your meals. Here are some tips to make meal prepping a breeze. Start small, with just a few meals. Invest in quality storage containers. Keep your meals simple. Add variety to avoid getting bored with your food. Label your meals with the date they were made. We hope this video has illuminated the ins and outs of meal prepping for you. It's a practical skill that can make a significant difference in your daily routine, saving you time and contributing to a healthier lifestyle. Give it a try, and let us know how it goes. Until next time, happy learning and happy cooking!